Good morning students. Let's solve exercise 2.2 question number 5. From that A question we will solve first. See here 1 upon 2 of means half of 24 we have to find first and then half of 46 we have to find afterwards. Okay. So first one I will write here half means 1 upon 2 of 24. Now here of represent multiplication. Okay, of means what we have to do right here in the place of multiplication. Okay, so right here 1 upon 2 of means here multiplication sign multiplied by 24. Okay, now what we will do, see 1 multiplied by 24, numerator and numerator will multiply, and see for 24 there is no denominator means 1, so write here 1 into 24 upon 2, here there is no denominator means 1, so 2 ones are 2. Now what we will do, we'll do the lowest term here. Okay, so 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So what answer we got? 1 into 12, 12. 1 multiplied by 12, 12 ones are 12 we got. Okay, so now see here, second one, 46, see. What is second one? Half of 46 we have to find, okay. So half of 46. Half of 46. Now see, right here 1 upon 2 of represent multiplication. Of means what we have to do here? Multiplication. Multiplied by 46. Okay. So now 1 multiplied by 46, numerator and numerator will multiply, and then 2. Okay. Here there is no denominator means 1. So 2 ones are 2. Now what we can do here? We can do the lowest term here. See here. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. It is divisible by 2 na, so 1 multiplied by 23 means 23 ones are 23. So here we got 23 answer. Let's find first 4 upon 5 of 20. What is the meaning of of? Of means multiplied. Okay, so 4 upon 5 in the place of write multiplied by 20. Okay, so see here, I will show you. For 20 there is no denominator means 1. Okay, so what we can do, numerator and numerator we can multiply, so 4 into 20 and denominator means 5 into 1, 5. Okay, now see here what we can do, we can do the lowest term directly. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20, that way also we can write, or 20 multiplied by 4, 20 fours are 80, 80 upon 5, and then you have to do the lowest term. So instead of that you can do by this way also. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 4 into 4, 4 multiplied by 4, 4 fours are 16, 4 fours are 16. So what answer we got? 16. Okay, so now see, this is first one. Now next one, 4 upon 5, second one. From this 4 upon 5 of 35. What we have to find? 4 upon 5 of 35. So write here 4 upon 5 as it is, in the place of write multiplied by 35. Okay, so is equal to, now what we are going to do, numerator and numerator multiplied, so 4 multiplied by 35. Okay, for 35 there is no denominator means 1, so 5 into 1, 5. Now what we'll do, we'll do the lowest term. Okay, here 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Instead of multiplying 35 into 4, what we'll do, we'll do the lowest term of this number. It makes easy. See, 35 into 4, that multiplication you will do, and then you will do the lowest term. Instead of that, it make easy. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So what you got here, 4 into 7 is equal to 4 sevens are 28. Okay. So what you got, 4 sevens are 28. Let's solve question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Okay. Now see here. 3 multiplied by 5 integer 1 upon 5. Okay. So what we will do? This mixed fraction we will convert in the improper fraction and then we will multiply. Okay. So write this 3 as it is. Multiplication sign also as it is. 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1, 26, so 26 upon 5 we got. Okay, so 26 upon 5 we got. Now see here, what we will do? 3 into 26. Numerator and numerator we will multiply. And here 5 ones are 5. Okay, so now see here what we will do. 26 3s are 78, 78 upon 5. Okay, now what it is given in the question? Multiplied and expressed as a mixed fraction. Now we have done multiplication. Now this we got improper fraction, 78 upon 5. Now let's convert this 78 upon 5 in the mixed fraction. So for that what we will do? See, we have to divide for 78 by 5. Okay, 78 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5, 7 minus 5, 2, 8 will come down, 5 5s are 25, okay, so remainder is 3, okay, so how to write this number in the mixed fraction? Denominator write 5, this answer quotient we got, that is whole number part, okay, and remainder that is numerator place, okay. See, 15 5s are 75, 75 plus 3, 78. B question. Now let's solve B question. 5 multiplied by 6 integer 3 upon 4. Now see here, see this is 5, whole number part. Multiplied by 6 integer 3 upon 4. 6 integer 3 upon 4. So first this mixed fraction we will convert in the improper fraction and then we will multiply. So write here is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 6 are 24, 24 plus 3 27, so 27 upon 4. Okay, now is equal to 5 into 27, so 5 multiplied by 27 upon 4. Now if you will observe here, you cannot do the lowest term. Okay, so what we will do? 5 into 27. 27 5s are 135. 135 upon 4. Okay, now 135 upon 4. Now which type of fraction we got? We got improper fraction. So let's convert in the mixed fraction. So how to convert this in the mixed fraction? See here, I will show you. We should divide. So this work I am showing with pencil. You can do in rough. 4. 4 3s are 12. 3 minus 2 1. 1 minus 1 0. 5 will come down. 4 3s are 12. Okay. So 5 minus 2 3. 1 minus 1 0. So now what we'll write here? Denominator 4 as it is. Now whatever quotient we got, that is whole number part, and remainder we got, that is numerator. Okay, so 33 integer 3 upon 4. So what we got? 33 integer 3 upon 4. Let's solve equation from 6th question. Okay, so now here see, first number it is given mixed fraction. Okay, this is mixed fraction. So first mixed fraction we will convert in the improper fraction and then we will multiply. So 4 3s are 12. 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 upon 4 multiplied by 6. Okay. Now what we will do? Numerator and numerator we will multiply. So 13 multiplied by 6 upon 4. Now if you will observe here, see 6 here from numerator plus 6 and from denominator plus 4. These both the numbers are divisible by 2. So let's do the lowest term here only. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So what we got? 13 into 3 upon 2. Okay, 13 into 3 upon 2. See here we got 2 is equal to, now 13 3s are 39. 39 upon 2. Okay, now 39 upon 2 means we need to convert. See, this is improper fraction. So let's convert in the mixed fraction. So how to convert? See, 39 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 3 minus 2 1. 2 nines are 18. Okay, we got remainder here 1. So write this 2, here 19 and here 1. Okay, those who know to write this directly, they can write this directly. But some students are new, they do not understand. So I am showing each and every steps here in detail. Now let's solve F question. Okay, F question. See here, 3 integer 2 upon 5 multiplied by 8. Now this 3 integer 2 upon 5, this is mixed fraction. So let's convert in the improper fraction. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 upon 5 multiplied by 8. Okay. So now what we'll do? 17 into 8. 17 multiplied by 8 upon 5. 17 8s are 136. Okay, 136 upon 5. Okay, now if you will observe 136 upon 5, this is which type of fraction? Improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator is greater than denominator. So this is improper fraction. So let's convert in the mixed fraction. Okay, so how to convert in the mixed fraction? See here, I am showing you 136 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. 3 minus 0, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. 6 will come down. 5 7s are 35. Okay, so 1 is the remainder. So write this now here. Denominator right here 5 as it is. Okay, now quotient which we got, that is whole number part, and remainder we got that we have to write at numerator place. So 27 integer 1 upon 5. Okay, so what is the answer? 27 integer 1 upon 5. Let's solve question number 7. Find from that first one, A1, half of 2 integer 3 upon 4. First we'll find half of 2 integer 3 upon 4. Now of represent multiplication. What of represent? Multiplication. Of means multiplied. Okay, so 1 upon 2 of means multiplied. Now what we will do? This mixed fraction we will convert in the improper fraction and then we will multiply. Okay, now this mixed fraction, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 upon 4. Okay, so now is equal to numerator and numerator multiplied. 1 into 11 upon 2 into 4. 2 multiplied by 4. Now see here, 11 ones are 11 upon 4 2s are 8. Okay, now 11 upon 8. Now let's convert this in the mixed fraction. See, we have got this in improper fraction. So let's convert this in the mixed fraction. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. If you do not understand, divide and write down this answer. Okay, now from this second one we will solve. See, first we have solved this first one. Now we will solve second one. What is second one? Half of 4 integer 2 upon 9. Okay, so write here 1 upon 2 as it is. Half of means multiplied. Now first what we'll do? First this mixed fraction we will convert in the improper fraction. So 9 multiplied by 4. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 38 upon 9. Okay, now after that what we will do? 1 multiplied by 38 upon 2 multiplied by 9. Now what we can do here? See, we can do the lowest term here. See here, this number is divisible by 2. So write here 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. Okay, so 1 multiplied by 19 you will get here. So here you will get 1 multiplied by 19 upon 1 multiplied by 9. So what you got here? 19 1s are 19, 1 9s are 9. So convert this in the mixed fraction, because see, this fraction is improper fraction. So let's convert in the mixed fraction. Now see, 9 2s are 18 and 1 19. So what answer you got? 2 integer 1 upon 9. So answer you got 2 integer 1 upon 9.